Want to grab your readers' attention and keep them hooked? Let's dive into the secrets of writing engaging blog posts that stand out from the crowd. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd, where we empower your WordPress site with the highest performance hosting out there. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to create blog posts that not only capture your audience interest, but also keep them coming back for more. Let's get started. First things first, understand your audience. Know who you're writing for. This is key to creating content that resonates. Ask yourself, what are their interests? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you've nailed down your target audience, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, making your blog posts much more engaging. Next, research relevant topics. Dive into some research to find out what topics are trending or relevant to your audience. Use tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, or even social media platforms to see what people are talking about. Make sure you choose topics that not only interest your readers, but also align with your own expertise. This way, you create content that's both engaging and credible. Craft compelling headlines. Your headline is the first thing readers see, so make it count. A compelling headline should be clear, concise, and intriguing. Use numbers, questions, or action words to draw readers in. For example, instead of saying, copywriting tips, try 7 proven tips to write engaging copy that drives traffic. A great headline can make all the difference in whether someone clicks on your post or not. Use engaging visuals. Let's face it, no one wants to read a wall of text. Break up your content with visual elements like images, infographics, or even short videos. Visuals not only make your blog posts more engaging, but also help to illustrate your points more effectively. They can improve the overall user experience, which keeps readers on your page longer. Leveraging images as calls to action within a blog post is another powerful way to boost engagement and drive conversions. Instead of relying solely on text-based CTAs, incorporating visually appealing images can capture the reader's attentions more effectively. For example, an image of a product with a Buy Now button overlaid or a visually striking infographic that leads to a detailed guide can prompt readers to click through. Make sure your images are optimized for both desktop and mobile viewing, and consider adding alt text and captions to enhance SEO. And that takes us to our next tip, which is optimize for SEO. To get your content in front of as many eyes as possible, you need to optimize your blog posts for SEO. Use relevant keywords naturally throughout your post, especially in the headline, subheadings, and meta description. Don't forget to add alt text to your images and include internal and external links. By optimizing for SEO, you'll increase your chances of ranking higher on search engines, driving more traffic to your blog. Last but not least, engage with your readers. Make your blog posts interactive. Ask questions, encourage comments, and respond to your readers. Engaging with your audience turns your blog from a one-way broadcast into a two-way conversation. This builds a loyal community around your content and keeps readers coming back for more. All the hard work you put into creating engaging content deserves a platform that can deliver it flawlessly. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, your blog will load quickly, handle traffic spikes, and provide a smooth experience for your readers. After all, what good is an engaging blog post if your site can't keep up? Let Rapyd Cloud power your WordPress site so you can focus on what you do best: create amazing content. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. And there you have it, 6 steps to writing blog posts that truly engage your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more content creation tips. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!